kitchen, sink, dishwasher, fridge, food, no food, crock pot, Dalek, microwave, oven, stove, pantry, washing machine, dryer, cat food, living room, chair, futon, lamp, monkey, computer nook, computer, monkey hat, TV, Doctor Who, DVDs, cat, shoes, ball, another cat, ceiling fan, hallway, scratching post, light socket, bedroom, stuff, bed, more stuff, another lamp, another ceiling fan, closet, modem, books, socks, bathroom, toilet, toilet paper, mirror, iPod radio, mouthwash, linen closet, linens, shower curtain, shower, axe.